name is Satvik Upadhyaya. I'm gonna recite Shiva Shlokas. Hara Shambho Mahadeva Vishveshamara Vallabha Shiva Shankara Sarvatman Neelakanta Namostute Lalita Chandani Bhanana Sushmitam Shivapadam Shivadam Smaratam Shivam Vishadakoti Thatit Prabhayayutam Shivajayaya Shivaya Shivaya Yutam Natana Natya Natam Natagayakam Janamudam Jalajayatalocanam Bhujagabhushana Bhushita Vigraham Pranamahe Janate Janavallabham Shruti Shata Prabhaya Yutam Haripadabja Bhavam Shirasadrutam Shiva Shiveti 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 Vai Bhava Bhaveti 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 Va Muda Mudeti 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 Vai Bhajakiyah Satatam Pranatamiyat Mrityunjayaya Rudraya Neelakantaya Shambhave Amruteshaya Sarvaya Mahadevaya Te Namaha. Thank you.